Want to edit a character you made on Talkie AI? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's get started with the video. First thing first, head over to your application. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once logged in, move into your profile. Now simply head over to the character you have made and you want to edit it. Let me move into this one. Once you're in this page, click on their profile. Now from here, click on Edit. Once you have landed on this page, you can edit and customize your character. If you want to change the name, remove this name and then enter a new one. Likewise, you can change the introduction as well. Also, if you want, you can change the opening. And if you click on Advanced Settings at the bottom of the screen, you can edit the model, challenge mode, dialect style, and many more. And if you want to edit the profile picture, click on Edit at the very top left corner. From here, you can edit your profile picture easily. So this is simply how you can edit your character you have made on Talkie AI. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.